In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply multiple filters at once on your pivot table. So basically, the thing is that if you want to apply some filters on your pivot table, basically, if you apply one filter and then you want to apply the second one, that will exclude the first filter that you applied. So today, I'm going to show you how to fix that. So the thing is that if you click on your pivot table right here, and then right click on it and go to pivot table options, you'll see this option totals and filters right here. So as you can see, we have this filters option, and we have the this option where it says allow multiple filters per field. So basically, by default, we have this option unchecked right here. And what you're going to do is simply select this option where it says allow multiple filters per field, and then hit OK. So after you do that, you should be able to simply allow more filters at once on your pivot table. So if you apply one filter and then another, the second one will not exclude the first one. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.